being a lyricist, I love to quote things. I don't allow certain words to be a part of my vocabulary anymore. And those are simply the words I can't. Growing up in the family I grew up in evolved around music. It evolved around God. And it evolved around family. My father used to always say, "One Winans win, all Winans win." My writing has been inspired by poetry. I was in the 4th grade, and the 4th grade teacher said to the students, I have a poem I want to read. She quoted the wind. "Why does the wind so want to be here in my little room with me, when he's all the world to blow about? Just because I keep him out, he cannot wait a moment still, but frets upon my window sill." And I sat there and said, that's incredible. That's what I want to do with my songs. And there's nothing better, I think, than singing with your sibling. The journey that Cece and I have had, there's a blend there I don't think you can find anywhere else. We wrote and sung things that we went through and that we experienced. And so with me and Cece, I always believe that if it comes from the heart, it goes to the heart.
When I found you, I found love.
The musical started with a phone call with Roberta Flack. And right in the middle of the conversation, she detoured and said, "BeBe, when are you gonna write that musical about you and your family? It's an American musical, it's a story, it's a film after that." And it goes on. 4 days later, I'm at a hotel in Montreal, and I open up my laptop, and it was like a faucet came on. And right then and there, I wrote the first draft of what now is Born for This. It's been an absolute joy to see my niece Deborah Joy and my nephew Juan, who are a brother and sister, playing a brother and sister who happens to be their uncle and aunt. I'm just tickled, if I can say that, to see the talent continues within the Winans family. I think everyone should travel. I think it is so educational. But beyond educational, it just causes you to care about people. When I went to Rio, I realized, tall and sweet and dirty, the girl from Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes, she passes, goes, that's the girl from Ipanema. I mean, because everybody is beautiful in Rio. I want everyone that comes to see this musical and this piece, which is reality, to know that love is so much greater than hatred.